I have always been loving drawing since I was young, and then I did a lot of art class when I was young, and then I got into high school and I started to do more art training, and I figured out that that might be my passion, and then I we have to choose the path when you've finished high school, and I chose fashion design. It's a university, but they have a fashion design course, and it's currently there. I mean, it was, but it's still it was the best course in the university, and has a lot of cooperation. I did a fashion course with FIT, the one of the biggest fashion school in New York. It's a joint program, so we all have the professor to come teach us every year, every semester and stuff. Yeah. We studied fashion merchandising and fashion design, which is drawing, patterning, making, all sort of stuff related to fashion. And yeah, it has two kind of course, and at the third year you have to choose a path whether you want to do fashion merchandising or fashion design, and I chose design. Yeah, so it was when I was doing design for this course, we have to design sleeves, and then my work is just so different from others. Others were like very practical, and mine is like all sort of steampunk vibe with like wires around the bags. And then one of our New York professors saw it. He was like, "Okay, you should go do costume. You shouldn't do fashion. You'll do good at it." And then I was like, "Yeah, maybe that's my path," because I have been always loving film and TV. I watch it a lot. It's kind of my way of relaxing. Yeah. I chose Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama because I think their costume course is really interesting, and they're such a diversity school. They have stage management, they have acting. It's basically like a small theater, but within the school. So we were doing a lot of practical training about like pattern making, custom made for actors, the costume, because when I was doing fashion we do everything in the same size, but when I got to costume design, that I realized, oh, we have to measure everyone and do make costume for their size, and that's what we studied. And then when you go to when you go into the cooperation part, which is collaborating with all sort of department, and we did a lot of that, and I feel very happy that I got into that school, and I had amazing 2-year experience with theater, and I'm really happy that I'm here with everyone. Yeah.